We will set the grinder to number 2 because we are going to produce an espresso, so we need a fine range. I will now insert the basket into the grinder, and while the grinder is moving, I will set it to number 2. You can see that now it's in number 2 and the grinder is still working. So now we will temper. Maximum temper, put it back, and we take out the basket. We show you the basket so you can see the grind, number 2 grind. Now we put this portafilter and we are ready to pull a shot. Now we will see how the pressure gauge is responding. You can see that the pressure gauge is rising, but nowhere near the optimal zone that is recommended in the manual, the handbook. And you can see that the coffee is under extracted. That means we are not getting the right pressure to bring out the best aroma and taste from the coffee, which for a machine at this price is quite a great disappointment.
Okay. Sorry. So the pressure gauge doesn't go to optimal.
Yeah, the pressure gauge is very low. It's only here. It should be around here. Okay.
Take it out. Yeah, okay. That's the grind. Right. Down, button. Yep.
Got it?